can't ever leave my side. Never! Not you! Please, God!
So now you're dead.
Why did Claude murder Alois Transome? I needed you as a tool, that's the reason why.
I want you to touch me.
Why?